Passive income. All right, so today's video, we're talking all about passive income, which is one of the hottest topics of 2020. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I originally wrote notes to a video that was gonna be
top 5 passive income ideas for 2020.
And as I was writing this video, I saw that there were some other videos online that were already published that were like 7 ideas on how to make money online in 2020 and 20 ideas on how to make passive income, how to make money online in 2020. And it just dawned on me that you don't need 20 ideas. You don't need to have 100 different ideas, because at the end of the day, all you really need is one good idea that you can give 100% to. Because think about it, if you were to spread your efforts, let's say 5 different ideas, and give 20% to each idea, how do you ever expect any of those to actually take off? To have a good idea and to actually make that come into fruition, it takes 100%, and anyone who started a business knows that to make something succeed, you're gonna have to give everything you have. So to split your effort and your energy between 5 or 7 or 20 different ideas, obviously what's gonna happen is you're not gonna get results with any of them. So that's why instead of doing all of that, I decided to scrap my entire list and just give you one passive income idea for 2020. And this one idea that I'm gonna share with you is an idea that helped me to earn over $1 million from this single passive income idea, not from selling courses, but from this actual business model. Any of you who've been subscribed to me, you know what I'm talking about. Obviously, we're talking about affiliate marketing, but just to make that idea real for a lot of you, create your own platform this year and make it about something you're passionate about. Write about something or make videos on a topic that you feel strongly about. And I know we all have hobbies and passions. For me, one of my things is music. I love music production for hip hop beats, and some of you have heard my beats before, and also playing guitar. And I just started picking up the guitar a lot more recently. Been watching some John Mayer, been getting inspired, playing my Gibson Les Paul and playing it through my amp every single day. Basically, we all have these passions and hobbies and interests. Another one of my hobbies is cars, and I just have so much useless knowledge about cars in my head that for me to not share it with the world, it would be such a waste. For me to keep up all this knowledge that, you know, I think about car performance and modifications and all this theoretical stuff in my head, to not share my ideas with the world, which may help someone else or a fellow car enthusiast, like that's such a waste, right? So I made a video recently where I showed proof of $1 million in affiliate marketing commission. So again, not from courses, not from any of that fake guru stuff, but literally from this business model. And the way the business works, it's very simple. You create your own platform. So whether it's a website or a YouTube channel or both, I like to do both. When you create these platforms, you create content, and then with that content, you promote the products and services of other companies through affiliate links. Those affiliate links, when they get clicked and people buy, you get commission. It's as simple as that. The biggest companies in the world, Google, Apple, Amazon, all have affiliate programs. That's just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, literally, there's probably millions of affiliate products and programs out there. And so that's why affiliate marketing is something that's so general that it's hard to kind of just teach it all in like a quick 10-minute video, because there's so many ways to do it. There's so many different
social media platforms or websites and blogs and different ways to get traffic. And there's so many different products and niches.
It makes my head spin, the possibility with affiliate marketing. But if you're passionate about something, chances are there is an affiliate program, there is an affiliate network, and you can get links that you get paid for if people click and buy. Simple as that. So what I implore you to do is invest into starting a platform. YouTube channel is free. So investing is just your time and energy. Now a website, you can literally get started for less than $3 a month and have a real custom website with a custom website name and everything if you build it with WordPress. I actually teach people how to do that for free in the description below. You can visit my free guide, 10 steps to start an affiliate marketing business and a website, and it costs less than $100 to get started today. The guide itself is free. There's no email required, no catch, no strings. Check it out. It has over 300 5-star reviews. Thank you guys for the feedback. But basically, what I implore you to do this year, and who knows how much longer this window of opportunity is there. Like if you were to start today, at the very least, you'd know that a year from now, 2 years from now, you would have a year or two worth of progress, of lessons, of skills that you've built up, of trial and error that you've gone through. But if you were to start 2 years from now, on the flip side, your window may have closed. The opportunity may not be there anymore. The market may have shifted or changed. What I'm trying to basically advise you guys is to build something that you're passionate about and to build an actual real asset, which is a website, which is a platform or a YouTube channel. And when you build these things, they live on the internet. And when you create that piece of content, whether it's a blog post, whether it's a review, or whether it's a tutorial, or whether it's a guide, or whether it's a video, you only have to make it once. People can watch that same video for years later, and then they can still click that affiliate link and you can still get paid commissions. And that's exactly what I do and what I did, with all my affiliate marketing websites. My first one was reviewing headphones. When I did a headphone review, that review would go on to get thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views, which in turn would get hundreds of clicks, hundreds of sales, and it would generate thousands of dollars in affiliate commission. That's all passive income once you set it up. And the thing that I want to just clarify, when we talk about passive income, it doesn't mean that you just get free money for doing nothing. It means that you put the work up front and you get paid well after you're done working. Whereas in most jobs, if you don't work, you don't put in the hours, you're not getting paid a paycheck. But when it comes to this business, you put up the hours up front. Let's say it takes 10 hours to make a really good video. You can literally get paid months down the line, even years later, for that one video you made years back. So that's the idea I want to share with you guys. You only need one. You just need one idea that's strong enough to really create something real. I want you guys to stop basically the shiny object syndrome of going after this business and that business. I mean, the number one way you can tell that someone doesn't really have a business that's popping is when they say that they have like 5 businesses. You've probably met people like that.
They're like, oh yeah, I have 7 companies right now.
You know that none of them are doing well if you have 7 companies. Because if you had one that was doing well, you'd be focusing on that company. You wouldn't be juggling 7 different plates. Jack of all trades, master of none. So what I'm trying to promote here is people should stop looking for a million different opportunities and ideas. Find one legit one, go after it with all of your effort and your energy, and really invest the time into that one thing. And that's the only time where you'll actually see results, is if you give yourself and you give that opportunity 100% of you rather than 20% of you, rather than 33% of you. So that's what I see so many people doing wrong, is that they go after a million different things and they end up making 0 or close to 0. Whereas if you're the person who goes after one thing and that's the one thing that you work on and you stick to it, then chances are you're gonna get a lot more lucky than those who are basically just so spread out and spread too thin amongst their different businesses and companies and efforts. All right, well, that's basically my message I want to share with you guys today. Again, I was about to make a video that was literally like the top 5 passive income ideas for 2020. Forget all that. One passive income idea, one job, one business. Focus on that, one passion, one niche, one market, and start off with just one product that you're selling or promoting. Once you've proven you have something that has proven to succeed, like you've actually sold this product successfully, then you can think about branching out, expanding to another product or another niche. And that's the cool thing with your own website or YouTube channel, is you can promote dozens of products and different things because you own the platform. So you can talk about whatever you want. And that's what's cool about having a website, is there's no rules, like you own that. So no one can ban you or suspend you from your own website because you literally own that platform. You don't own YouTube, you don't own your Facebook, your Instagram profile. If you get banned, you get banned, but you do own your website. So that's why I recommend starting today. Start building that website or blog, start getting an audience, get email subscribers to subscribe to your email list, and you own those things and you have direct communication with your subscribers and your audience. But again, when you build something on another platform, you don't own those assets, right? They're nice to have. It's nice to have a big YouTube channel and views and subscribers, but you don't own your subscribers. You don't have any way to get their email and contact them directly. So that's just the message I want to share with you guys today. It's 2020. There's no better year to start making passive income, but you need to start today. And my advice, I would go against the grain. I would not go after 6 different things. Start with one and prove you can do it with one before you think about expanding to the next thing and the next thing. So that's basically it for today. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, comment below. Helps me out so much and I really appreciate it. I love reading as many comments as possible and I am as active as possible. I try to respond as many comments as possible. I've said as possible a lot, but basically let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to, get your thoughts on this. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, get notified of all uploads so you never miss a video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.